How to report someone on TikTok. First of all, head over to your application TikTok and make sure you are logged into your account. You need to head over to the profile of the person that you want to report. So let's say I want to report this person. Head over to the profile of this person. Once you are in their profile, tap on the share icon at the top right corner. At the bottom left corner, the option of report will be visible to you. Tap on it. Tap on report account. It will land you on this interface. Select the reason why you want to report this account. Let me choose one random reason for now. Once you are done, tap on submit. You can also block this person if you want to. All you want to do is enable this option. Tap on block. There you go, you have reported this person successfully. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to report someone on TikTok. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.